Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm doing a tutorial on the yoga skin trends. Basically it makes your skin super natural and glowy, dewy, just like this. So if you guys want to know what is yoga skin and how to do yoga skin, you have to watch full video, so keep on watching. So the first I'm gonna do my brows using this eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm gonna do natural brows because for today's look we're gonna do all natural. Then using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to give clean and nice look to my brows. I'm using this Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. For the primer, using Benefit Professional Primer, which is very good for oily skin. Then taking this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade Y255 and this Frasil Unicorn Essence. Next is this Dye Liquid Highlighter. This is very important, so please keep on watching. Taking 3 to 4 drops of foundation and 2 to 3 drops of Unicorn Essence and 2 drops of liquid highlighter. Then I'm gonna mix them together just like this. I'm gonna apply this with my hand. So basically for yoga skin look, we don't use a sponge or brush. So you guys can see how my skin is glowing. Look at this glow, oh my god. But I know my pimples are not covered because I want to look natural. I'm okay with my coverage, but if you guys want more coverage, then you can add more foundation. And I'm gonna hide my dark circle using the same concealer under my eyes, then blending. After that, curling my lashes using mascara from Catrick Cosmetics. If you guys have oily skin, you can use compact on your T-zone area. I have, so using MAC Studio Fix Compact with this brush on my T-zone area. And on my under eye as well. I'm so excited to talk about this product. Actually, this is lip tint, moist and glow. I bought it from Miniso. I use this as a blush. You guys can see on my cheeks, nose, chin. And one more round. You can see it gives natural apple cheeks, so I love it guys. Then on my lips as well. Then I'm gonna apply this Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm on top of that. One more natural glowing look, I'm using this Dye Liquid Highlighter on my high cheekbones. I'm just gonna dab with my finger. Oh my god, glow is very natural guys. And on my tip of nose and bridge of nose. So this is the final look guys. I think yoga skin is amazing. I love it. Look is very simple, cute, glowy and natural. This is kind of everyday makeup look. So I'm kind of in love with this look. So I'm in love with this yoga skin. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then please like and comment. And if you love this video, then please subscribe to my channel and join my small family. So stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy guys. Bye bye. See you.